partenaire Skyteam vous souhaite une agréable soirée à Cotonou.
About to go meet up with Neil from Within But Travel. This is Neil and that's Edwin. Hey, what's up, my guy? How you doing? Hurry up and cross. Let's see before it starts raining again. Look at this, every single page is filled out. I don't think it's ever happened before in a trip.
My experience in Benin made me feel connected to a storied history that is dispersed around the world. A story of survival, of ingenuity, of courage, and bravery. Though one of Africa's smallest countries, Benin is far from a monolith. Each experience in town had its own personality, language, food, history, people. And the environment reflected that diversity. Sandy beaches, lush tropical forests, dry arid land, concrete jungles in the middle of commerce. The only commonality, the eagerness of the Beninese people to welcome me.
Ici, c'est la terre de Ouibadia. Et
It's the land of Ouibadia.
descendants de Ouibadia.
And they consider you descendant of Ouibadia too. You know?
Que les ancêtres les bénissent.
And our ancestors are blessing you.